לסיום, לכבוד החנוכה, נס קטן, מהר לפני שיגמר. זהו גדעון אברהמי. היום הוא אבא וסבא, בן 60 פלוס, אבל ב-82 הוא עדיין היה מ"פ צעיר בחטיבה 500 של השריון. הבן שלו, אלון, כתב ספר עם איורים על החוויות של גדעון במלחמת. נראה איזה חובב טנקים מניו זילנד בשם פיטר, ששיתף וידאו שבו הוא בונה דגם של מגח 6. זה בדיוק סוג הטנק שבו נהג גדעון, ומה שחיפש אלון. אבל זה עוד לא הנס. בדקה השביעית של הסרטון נחשף הצילום שעליו הסתמך היוטיובר הניו זילנדי בבניית המודל. ניחשתם כבר?
Hello dear viewers and Happy New Year. I hope you've had a happy and safe holiday season. To start this new year on a positive note, I thought I would share with you this amazing story that happened to this channel last year. As you have worked out by now, the small scale modelling channel has made an appearance on Israeli TV News back on December 15th, 2020. You might be wondering, how did this even happen? How did this even unfold? Well, it started way back on June 22nd, 2020. I had just posted my build video on the Italeri 1/72nd scale Magach 6 tank, or aka the Israeli variant of the M60 pattern main battle tank. Amongst the usual amazing comments from viewers like yourselves, this incredible comment appeared. It's hard to believe that one of the comments on my video was from the son of a 1982 Lebanon war veteran. Only to have the son, Alon, noticing the reference image I had used to base my model on was the image of his father's tank. Alon ended up showing his father Gideon my video. Gideon was amazed to see a video where someone had recreated his tank in miniature. All I can say is this. That was a real honour for this channel. Not long after receiving that amazing comment thread, Alon Avrami contacted me via Instagram messages. He sent me a few more images of his father's tank, including the image I had used in my video of his father's tank parked outside the National Museum in Beirut, August 1982. Alon also shared these remarkable images of Gideon during the 1982 Lebanon War with his entire tank crew, then a 2012 reunion photo of Gideon with his entire tank crew. It was at this point Alon asked if I was willing to sell the kit. He was hoping to buy the model as a gift for his father's 60th birthday. With how horrible 2020 was for the entire world, and how touched I was by the fact Alon was hoping to buy the kit as a gift for his father, the man whose real-life vehicle I had used to depict in miniature, I was more than happy to sell the model to the Avrami family in Israel. But this posed a minor challenge. How was I supposed to safely ship internationally a fragile model kit all the way from New Zealand to Israel? I was able to get a small plastic display case to fit the model in. Then it was a simple matter of packing the case in as much bubble wrap I could fit in the box. After that, it was a simple case of posting off the kit and waiting for it to safely arrive in Israel. However, it seemed to have disappeared in the post. The delay might have been caused due to how much of a backlog the world postal system was suffering due to the various national lockdowns, or according to Alon, how bad the Israeli postal network is. His words, not mine, but the mail did come through, and sure enough, 2 months later, it arrived undamaged. And then, Gideon Avrami received his gift of a small-scale replica of his tank, the same tank he had taken to war a long time ago. If you thought that wasn't a happy enough ending, Alon's Facebook post about his father's model went viral on Israeli social media, which led to this.
לסיום, לכבוד החנוכה, נס קטן, מהר לפני שיגמר. זהו גדעון אברהמי. היום הוא אבא וסבא, בן 60 פלוס, אבל ב-82 הוא עדיין היה מ"פ צעיר בחטיבה 500 של השריון. הבן שלו, אלון, כתב ספר עם איורים על החוויות של גדעון במלחמת לבנון הראשונה. כחלק מהתחקיר הוא הגיע לסרטון הזה. בואו נראה איזה חובב טנקים מניו זילנד בשם פיטר, ששיתף וידאו שבו הוא בונה דגם של מגח 6. זה בדיוק סוג הטנק שבו נהג גדעון, ומה שחיפש אלון. אבל זה עוד לא הנס. בדקה השביעית של הסרטון נחשף הצילום שעליו הסתמך היוטיובר הניו זילנדי בבניית המודל. ניחשתם כבר? כן. עולם קטן מאוד. איכשהו, פיטר מניו זילנד מצא תמונה שצילם גדעון מישראל יום לפני שהוא נפצע בביירות. אז אלון, הבן, יצר קשר עם פיטר. את הסרטון הוא העלה רק לפני שבועיים. הכל טרי בראש, הוא כל כך התרגש שהוא שלח לאברהמים את הדגם במתנה, הישר לבית בירושלים. ככה התאחדו חייל והטנק המוקטן שלו 38 שנים אחרי שלחמו בלבנון.
I hope this story has put a smile on your face, fellow scale modelers. Feel free to post in the comments any positive stories that happened to you in 2020. Good luck with all your ongoing model projects. And as always, thanks for watching, dear viewers, from Peter H. of Shuttle Factory Scale Models.